Racing just is started. We have Boyo break weekly restart. La Dolce Vita, Aloha, Serenata, Gobelis Bachelor of Arts comes next. Then comes Pleasant Girl, Masaganang Ani, Majestic Queen, Malihim, Prince Dugo, while Grand Game is the early trailer by about 13 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Aloha and La Dolce Vita. Pioneer out for the lead. 5 lengths further back in third comes Serenata, Gobelis, Boyo, Masaganang Ani comes next, Bachelor of Arts, then comes Malihim, Pleasant Girl, Prince Dugo is on the outside, down on the inside is Majestic Queen, while Grand Game is still racing in last. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Aloha, La Dolce Vita in second. 6 lengths further back in third comes Serenata, Boyo now trying to get closer in fourth, Gobelis, Bachelor of Arts likewise arriving at the scene. Masaganang Ani, Malihim, Grand Game, then comes Majestic Queen, Prince Dugo, while Pleasant Girl now racing in last. And as they swing for home, La Dolce Vita moving up on the outside, Boyo, Bachelor of Arts is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Boyo, Bachelor of Arts is on the outside, but it's still Boyo, Bachelor of Arts, Boyo, and finally it's Boyo, Bachelor of Arts, Aloha, Malihim, La Dolce Vita, Grand Game for your Super 6.
Sabi sa'yo, Mr. Last Race.